Sugar Maple Way, Sugar Maple Mountain Retreat. Wendy, how sweet it is to be here. Hello.
Hi there. So nice to have you in Vermont. Welcome.
Vermont, any time of the year, I find it gorgeous, but especially in the fall.
Vermont is special in the fall, and so is Sugar Maple Retreat. I'd love to show you my cabin. Just want to go see?
Yes, I'm going to fall for this place. I'll tell you that much.
Yes, you will.
Wendy, I am so intrigued about everything that is going on here. What is the story to Sugar Maple Mountain Retreat?
I was an influencer working out here almost 10 years ago. After deciding to retire from influencing and the DIY home improvement arena, I thought I would try my hand at developing land. So I found these 8 acres up here.
And there's nothing on it.
No, deep woods. We're completely surrounded by 1,275 acres of fish and wildlife property. It will never be developed.
That's incredible.
I designed every one of these cabins. It took 4 years to build. It was a labor of love. We've been open about 1.5 years now, and it's just been the most exciting journey ever.
What is kind of the style of the staycation? Because I've never been to a property like this before.
We're unique because we're basically set up for tiny groups. Each cabin comfortably sleeps 2. We can sleep 4. I only have 3 cabins on the property. Here we've got a hot tub that guests can enjoy. We've got kayaks and paddle boards. We have walking trails on our own property. We have an outdoor game area down the road here. Of course, everybody has their own fire pit, private grill. We try to be amenity heavy just so people can come in, drop their stuff, and start relaxing and having a great time.
Well, let's talk about all the ways the guests can also enjoy inside the cabins.
I spent a lot of time designing the inside. So when they walk in, they're going to have a full kitchen. Of course, we provide coffee and tea and hot cocoa and the like, but we also provide a wide variety of spices that are sourced from a local spice store.
Stay local, support local.
Absolutely. You'll find, a full stove, you've got your refrigerator, and the bathrooms are special to me. So I added extra heaters that the guests can adjust the temperature so it's nice and cozy. Walking upstairs, we've got an open bedroom loft, beautiful quality linens, feather pillows. With all the windows, they can literally lay in bed and see all the way around. Although for people that do want to sleep in, we've got blackout blinds that they can shut. And then if we are accommodating a larger group for 4, we've got the fold-out sofa. In the seating area, we've got individual little gas fireplaces. We've got, of course, TV. And then in the utility building, we have a DVD library with over 80 DVDs.
That's also a really cozy nook, too. You are also like an on-site concierge. You can recommend things to do both here and in town because of your location.
Absolutely. So we're so remote. You feel like you're so far away here, but you're really not. And there are loads of amazing Vermont restaurants here, really specialize in that fresh Vermont flavor, which is all farm to table. It's a delight.
So that's what I've been smelling on the grill, Wendy.
Absolutely, Evan. You guys don't get to leave here without tasting some of our local Vermont fresh flavor.
And maybe, some s'mores for dessert?
You read my mind.
Ha-ha!
Let's go.